viewpoint. As you can see down there, back there, over there, is the road leading to Manila City, which is for only 5 hours than the usual 6-hour trip from Manila to Baguio. Thank you. Ano? Babs, I wish you were here to do the footage. However, you're not here, so sorry. I'm taking your place. Yun na, tama na.
Sino nahisa? Diyay?
Sino nahisa? Sino nahisa?
Nami yung beauty ay no? Nami.
Nami, amo niya, wala ka mo